This video will show you how to import project actuals from Excel using our unique copy and paste feature. First, go to the cost or revenue module, depending on what type of actuals you want to import. Press the Upload Phasing button and select the Excel option. Make sure you have the right chart of accounts selected and that actuals is selected here. Now open your spreadsheet. For successful import, UniPhi requires columns for project ID, account code, and a column for each month that you are importing actuals for. Copy the data range that you want to import and paste it into the box in UniPhi. If you are missing one of the required columns, you will see an error message at the bottom of the screen which says what you are missing. Press this button to clear the data from the box and amend the error in your Excel file. Then copy and paste the data into UniPhi again. If there is any incorrect data, it will be outlined in red. You can hover your cursor over the cell to find out what is causing the issue. Then you can clear the data and amend in Excel again. When the Excel sheet is formatted correctly, copy and paste into UniPhi again. Press the green Save icon to import. Data that imported successfully will be outlined in green. When you are done, press the X icon. You can see the actuals have been updated. Thanks for watching this UniPhi tutorial.